Hey guys, good morning. It is Robin the Lady Biker, and I've got Allie with me.
Good morning.
Well, it's hard to tell it's morning because as we are heading up Angeles Crest Highway, it decided to get foggy. This is like really unusual, or at least it is for us in the 3 years that we've been here, for this part of the Southern California Central Coast. Because this is usually like hot, clear. Not today, so we're hoping that as the sun continues to rise that it'll burn off the fog. Ooh, like that. That will be nice. And give us some beautiful views today because we are riding Angeles Forest Highway and Angeles Crest Highway. So here's a map right here. And this kind of shows you where we are. We're just north of the LA area. And this road is one of the most sought-after, spectacular roads because it's just a blast to ride. From, sports cars to sport bikes to us cruisers, this road is just a lot of fun to ride. Just a whole lot of fun. But anyway, it's also one that, because we're here in the LA area, that is used quite a bit as a set or a backdrop for many, many of the Hollywood movies. One of the most famous that it's for, I believe it was Johnny Darko, the opening scene, crash scene, kind of highlights how dangerous this road can be if you don't have the experience of riding these and you're not paying attention to the other motorists on the road with you. But anyway, we're going to have patches of it starting to clear out. And guys, we're going to jump in and talk about random stuff and show you some beautiful scenery. But other than that, just hang on and enjoy the ride. Okay, guys, as you've seen, it's finally cleared out, and oh my gosh, what a fun ride it has been. We turned off of Angeles Crest onto Angeles Forest Highway, and we got out not super early this morning, but kind of early, didn't we, love?
Yeah, it wasn't a rush. It was a comfortable out.
Yeah. Got up, got around, went and found you some coffee, had some breakfast. What I love about doing a ride on a road like this fairly early in the day is, I think this car in front of us is the first one that we've really had in front of us in a while, and they're keeping at a pretty good clip.
And there's nobody behind us.
So you get these roads to yourself, and they are so much fun to just take the curves at the pace you want to take them at. Oh, that's what I love about it. What about you, babe?
Oh, yeah. It's great to have the road to yourself. Sit back, relax, be comfortable.
Well, except
for these biker gangs. Look at these guys.
Yeah, these biker gangs. You got to watch out for them. Anyway, I had a thought and poof, you got me distracted and laughing. I'm wondering if it's going to come back or not.
It'll come back.
If it does, we'll be back. guys, if you haven't ever ridden out this area, or you're planning to ride out towards the Southern California area, you really should add Angeles Crest, which is California Highway 2, to your list, because, I mean, it's worth it. It's just challenging enough to make those experienced riders have a lot of fun, but the road conditions are nice enough that even maybe not a beginner rider, but someone who's still relatively new could do the ride.
And there's lots and lots of pullouts, so you never have to worry about stacking traffic up behind you.
That's true, too. So you don't have to worry about feeling the pressure of having to ride faster than what you're comfortable with. So, guys, we're just going to keep riding. Hey guys, well, as you saw in the last clip, we had stopped at this great little lunch spot in Little Rock, California, and Little Rock Grill. And it was, now I have to say, when I was doing the research and I saw the pictures of the place, I was not real certain, but when we went in, it is a true small town mom and pop establishment. I mean, they're open like 7 to 5 daily. Yeah, they close up at 5 p.m. But the food was fantastic. And the service was really, really good. I was so incredibly pleased. So anyway, we went down California Highway 138, and we are back here now on California Highway 2. This is Angeles Crest, and we got to get out from behind this car now. But anyway, Allie, what were your thoughts on lunch?
Oh, it was delicious. We had their daily breakfast special. It was very good. Oh, those hash browns were perfect.
Oh, the hash browns were, and then that verde sauce they gave,
Yep.
Spicy, but it was perfect with the eggs. So anyway, guys, we're going to see if we can't find a spot to get around this guy, because I can tell you right now, he's not going to ride at the speed we want to ride. But anyway, we'll catch y'all down the road. Enjoy the footage as we keep going down Angeles Crest Highway. All right, hey guys, for good or for bad, we're back on Angeles Crest, and okay, Angeles Crest took it a little too serious in having us in the clouds. Anyway, guys, we came to a turnout. Angeles Crest Highway is a highway that sports cars, sport bikes love to come and just really push the edge of the performance of their bikes, of their cars, and that's fantastic. That's why they have so many pullouts, is to allow for cars and motorcycles who aren't going as fast to be able to pull over and let the fast ones by. Thing is with this kind of fog, that's a little dangerous. So we found a generous pullout, did a turnaround, and changed out the GoPro batteries again. And we're going to start heading back down and then make our way back towards camp. We're back on the road and actually have some sun so we can show you some of the beauty that is Angeles Crest. Jump back on and we'll finish out the video then. Hang on. Hey guys, we're moving again, and we've been coming in and out of some pretty gnarly fog. Anyway, just wanted to go ahead and close this up. I'm wishing I could have shown y'all more, but you know what? It's like with anything. Eventually, when you ride a motorcycle, you're going to ride in rain, you're going to ride in fog, you're going to ride in conditions that are just not ideal. But it has been such an amazing day, and just some really fun roads, because with some of this fog, the road's not as trafficked, I guess is the best word to say. They haven't been as busy as they normally would be, so it's been a total positive. Anyway, I want to do a quick shout out to one of my followers on IG. His name is Michael, and he lives up in Alaska, but he grew up a Southern California boy, so he loves Angeles Crest. And hey, Michael, I wish I could have shown you some of the sunny part of it, or well, more than what we did earlier. But oh my gosh, I have forgotten how much fun this road is to ride. Okay, Allie, what about you, babe? Any thoughts from today?
Oh, this is just one of the great parts about being in California. All the highways, the twisties, the weather, and the weather varieties. Well, it was a beautiful day.
It was a good day. And there were parts of it that were stunningly beautiful. It's been cold, which is unusual for this time of year, but hey, we actually, we're supposed to have a front come in either late tonight or sometime tomorrow that's supposed to bring some desperately needed rain to this area. It is extremely dry. So we're crossing our fingers for the rain. I just hope that we get home before it hits. If not, I'll be using my HWK as my rain gear tomorrow to stay dry and warm. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for going along on this ride with us. This is part of why we do it, is to be able to share some of these amazing experiences with every one of you out there on YouTube. So with that, guys, I hope everyone is having a great day, and get out and ride. Have fun, be safe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.